How to change default photo upload quality on WhatsApp. So all you have to do is to go here to your WhatsApp application. Now go here to it will direct you to your chat section, right? Now on the bottom part you will see status, calls, communities, chats, and settings. Now, since you want to change your default photo upload quality, then let's go here to your settings, and then under settings you may want to go to your storage and data. There are a lot of options, but I want you to focus on storage and data. It's under notifications, so tap on that, and here you will see this. Now what I want you to do next is, as you can see here, to your media auto download here. For your photos, it's either Wi-Fi or cellular. You set it there, and then here you may want to go to your media upload quality, tap on that, and tap on auto or recommended. It's either cellular or Wi-Fi. So which means if your cellular data is stronger than your Wi-Fi, then it will upload through your cellular data, and vice versa. And of course, or the stronger your cellular data or Wi-Fi is, the better quality your upload photo. And just tap onto auto, and basically that is how you change default photo upload quality on WhatsApp. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, make sure to give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.